kitchen. Okay guys, today I'm going to be making a lasagna with meat and sauce dinner, 2 times the meat from Stouffer's. You see on the back here, have the cooking instructions for the oven. Since mine is already thawed out, I'm removing the lid and I'm going to make a little tent as you see there on the right. And I'm gonna follow the cooking instructions. But since I'm like not 100% thawed out, I'm gonna make a number in between 128 and 170. So I'm looking at maybe keeping in there an extra maybe 20 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer to 90 minutes, and that's where I'm gonna start. Okay, I got my lasagna tinted, so I'm gonna put that in my refrigerator here. Just like this. And I'm gonna cook that for 90 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 90 minutes. About to take out my lasagna. Or check on it. Okay. Take it here. Look. Pull out on it as you lift it up. This is spilling over. I'm gonna keep the top on it and we're gonna let it sit